Town Mouse and Country Mouse. Once upon a time, there were two mice. Country Mouse lived in the country. Town Mouse lived in the town. One day, Town Mouse went to see Country Mouse. "What a funny house," said Town Mouse. "What funny food! What a funny bed!" The two mice went for a walk. Suddenly, they heard a noise. Moo! "What's that?" said Town Mouse. "It's only a cow," said Country Mouse. But Town Mouse was very frightened. Then they heard another noise. "Hiss! What's that?" said Town Mouse. "It's only a goose," said Country Mouse. But Town Mouse was very frightened. Then they heard another noise. "Woo! What's that?" said Town Mouse. "It's the owl," said Country Mouse. "Run as fast as you can." "I don't like it in the country," said Town Mouse. "Come with me back to the town." So off they went. "What a funny house," said Country Mouse. "What funny food! What a funny bed!" The two mice went for a walk. Suddenly, they heard a noise. "Pop, pop!" "What's that?" said Country Mouse. "It's only a car," said Town Mouse. But Country Mouse was very frightened. Then they heard another noise. "Nee-no!" "What's that?" said Country Mouse. "It's only a fire engine," said Town Mouse. But Country Mouse was very frightened. Then they heard another noise. "Meow!" "What's that?" said Country Mouse. "It's the cat," said Town Mouse. "Run as fast as you can." And Country Mouse ran very fast, all the way back to the country.